y is directly proportional to x squared, and when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8. Find the equation connecting x and y and sketch its graph, and find the value of y when x is equal to 5. So we're told that y is directly proportional to x squared. So we write that mathematically as like this: y, this means proportional to x squared, and if this is true, we can then say there's a constant that we can write in such that y will be equal to kx squared. Now we can find the value of the constant from this bit here where x is 2, y is equal to 8. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 8. So we substitute that in. So we get 8 is equal to k, and we've got to remember to square the 2. So we're going to have that 8 is equal to 4k, and therefore k is equal to 2. And therefore my equation will become y is equal to my value of k, which is now 2, because it's kx squared, and I get y is equal to 2x squared. So now I can do my sketch. So drawing a set of axes. Now, before we draw the sketch, let's just have a look at this GeoGebra app, and the app I will put in the notes of the video. So go to this GeoGebra app. Right, so here we have the graph of y is equal to x squared. Okay, so what happens when we change the value of k? So I want to make k equal to 2. So using this slider here, I can now move this so that it says 2. Okay, so we can now say here the red graph is the original y is equal to x squared. The green graph is y is equal to 2x squared. Well, you might have noticed if this is 1 here, this now goes to 2 here. If this is 4 here, it now goes to 8 here. So basically what this is, multiplying the graph by 2 will stretch y is equal to x squared by 2 units, parallel to the y-axis. So every y-coordinate on the original graph will become doubled, even down here in the negative part. So if we now go back to this, because we now have to sketch this. Okay, so I'm just going to call this 1 unit, and they're going to call this 1 unit, because 1 squared is 1. And here I've got 2 squared, and then that will be 4 squared. So I'm using the squares here, and this then is 3 will be 9. And then going back the other way, 1 minus 1 squared is 1. So 2 squares represents 1 here, and then 1 square represents 1 on the y-axis. Minus 2 squared is going to be 4, and then minus 3 squared will be equal to 9. So the red dotted line here, graph here, is y is equal to x squared. Then all I've got to do now to get the y is equal to 2x squared is double each of these distances here. So this becomes doubled. This one we go up to here, then I haven't really got any more that I can put in. So going back this way, doubled, and then at 2 it will become 8. And then I can draw in my graph. Remember, it's only a sketch, so it doesn't have to be an accurate plot. So this is y is equal to 2x squared. Now all you actually required to actually show is that one. I've just used the red dotted one to help me draw the green one. So the green one is the actual answer. And then we asked when x is equal to 5, we're asked to find the value of y. So y will be equal to 2 times 5 squared, which is 2 times 25, which gives me 50. Okay, so it's been a video to show you how to draw a directly proportional to graph. I hope you've understood, and I'll remind you the GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video. Thank you very much for watching.